Hi everybody, it's Tom from the Reluctant Outdoorsman channel, and as we start today's video, we're walking down Mount Bingham towards Havre in St Helier, Jersey. This is actually part 3 of a town walk I'm doing, and if you missed part 2, it was called Coastal Views and Hidden History. I think it's well worth a watch. I thoroughly enjoyed that bit of the walk, and I hope you will do too. Anyway, let's head on down the hill to Havre, and I'm planning on taking a look at the street where my family's old hotel, the Sunshine Hotel, used to be before it closed down and was demolished. To be fair, I haven't been back there for many years, so it'll be nice to see it. It's hard to believe that it's Wednesday the 26th of November 2025 today. When I started this walk, it was sunny but chilly. Now it's getting warmer and warmer. It's such a beautiful day. As you can see, this half of the promenade has been modernized, and it is looking modern, but pretty impressive. And the new meets the old. There's the Havre bathing pool. Or is it the Lido? I get a bit confused nowadays.
Oh, really?
Oops, that was a bit of a shimmy from my old rugby playing days. And it was in that building that my dear Aunt Nessie had an apartment. I suppose she was called Agnes, but I never heard anyone call her anything other than Nessie. So here we are in Marriott Road, a funny little road to find a hotel in. But this is indeed where the old Sunshine Hotel used to be. Okay, so on the left-hand side, this is where the sunshine started, and it carried on to the end of the street. If my memory serves me correct, it started with some sort of archway or vehicular access, maybe for deliveries. These really are distant memories, but I think where there is the vehicular access now, there used to be steps up, and the birdcage bar used to be on the right, and I think the ballroom on the left. There was always a cabaret on at the Sunshine Hotel. Then somewhere around here there was the main entrance to the hotel, with the reception on the right, and I think when you walked past the reception there was a lounge behind it. And in the lounge there was a minor bird in a cage, and I do believe it used to talk. Fantastic memories. And I was probably, I don't know, 6, 7, 8. It seems a strange location, doesn't it? And very quiet now. To think, I once played golf with someone in Hong Kong who, when he found out I came from Jersey, told me that he had discovered the best bar in the world in Jersey. And guess what? It was the Birdcage Bar.
The tide hums low by the seawall. I hear it call, I hear it call. Shoes on stone, steps slow and plain. Walking memory lane, walking memory lane. Oh, Saint Helier, you're a ghost and a guide. Every street a story, every corner a tide. The Sunshine Hotel now shadows and glass, but I still see it I still see the past. Aunt Nessie's window, first floor on the right. The light was warm, the laughter bright. Now it's a stranger's silent room, but her voice still blooms. Her voice still blooms. The world spins forward, but I stay behind. A 66-year-old back in a child's mind. Oh, Saint Helier, you're a ghost and a guide. Every street a story, every corner a tide. The Sunshine Hotel now shadows and glass, but I still see it. I still see the past. The waterfront whispers of skipping stones. The breeze it carries my younger tones. The world keeps changing, but here I stay, walking the streets that time can't take away.
Wow, lots of new development down here as well. Did I see an entrance to the Green Street Cemetery? I think I did. Come on, we might as well walk through there. Well, it's sort of beautiful. Maybe a bit dilapidated and run down, but still beautiful. I do like cemeteries, though. I don't know if having 3 so close to my house has something to do with it.